You have to learn, okay, in reading. They are skimming and scanning. The first one is skimming. When you skim, you read fast, okay? For the main idea, for the gist, okay? What do we look for? We look for, when we are skimming, we look for the titles, the pictures. We look at the pictures. We look at the headings. We look at the first sentences in a paragraph or in an essay, okay? And repeated words, okay, or ideas. So let's practice together. On the next slide, I will show you a travel advertisement for 30 seconds. Use skimming to try to remember details about the advertisement. Then we will talk about it. Okay. So while you are viewing, while you are looking at the advertisement, think about this. What is this mostly about, the advertisement? It's like watching a movie trailer, not the entire movie. Okay? You just look for the main idea, the gist. Ready? The second kind of reading is scanning. When we are scanning, we are searching for answers. Example, in your exam, there's a question. What does occupational therapy mean? You will have normally 4 choices. You have to scan, okay? So what do we scan for? Name, time, price, country, date, okay? So let's practice scanning together on the next slide. What time is the flight to Tokyo? What flight is delayed? What gate is the Bangkok flight? Which city is boarding now? What is the flight number to Paris? Okay. You answer. First question. What time is the flight to Tokyo? What time? 9? 9 what? 9, you have to be specific. 9:45, okay? 9:45 meaning in the morning, okay? Military time, 9 means in the morning. Next question. What flight is delayed? Hong Kong. Have you been to Hong Kong? No, me too. Next, what gate is the Bangkok flight? What gate? 7. Okay, 7. 7. Okay, very good. What city is boarding now? What city? Sydney. Very good. It says boarding, meaning boarding now. Okay, you have to get on the plane. Okay? Sydney, do you know where Sydney is? Sydney is in what country? Australia. Okay, Sydney, Australia. What is the flight number for Paris? AF 267. Okay? So it's like looking for your friend in the crowd. You know what you are looking for. You know who you are looking for. Okay? During the test, during the examination, during your quiz, you read the question and you know what you are looking for. Okay? Multiple choice next week. Week 3, Wednesday, don't be absent, don't get sick. Okay? On Friday as well, class, don't get sick because speaking test 10%. Okay? Okay. So both are going to be helpful for you in the future after IE. Okay? Starting next week, skimming and scanning will be very helpful for you. So, let's review. Good readers don't read every word. You either skim for ideas, main ideas, the summary, okay? Or you scan for specific answers, okay? In skimming, we read for the main idea. We don't have to understand every word. So during the exam, don't waste your time, okay? Scanning is reading for specific information. So you have to understand the type of question. So for this question, what do I need? Skimming? Do I need to understand the main idea? Or scanning? Do I need to look for specific details or information? Do you understand, class? You can use that until you graduate, when you are working already, when you travel, when you go to the hospital, okay? The reading skills, okay? The two reading skills, very important. It's going to help you live conveniently, okay? Easily. Example for scanning, looking for the name, the address, the numbers, etc. This is very usable during flight or when you travel by bus. The tickets, right? Details. Okay. What else? When you go to the hospital and then you need to buy the medicine. Okay. What do you have to buy? How many times do you need to take the medicine? Okay. Scanning, right? Scanning. Now practice using skimming and scanning to read the passage and answer the questions. Okay. Maybe I'll give you